it. I'm gonna fucking scream. I'm gonna.
Thank you, silence. I will lose my fucking shit. Totally lose my shit. No, you didn't hear me just hiccup. You did not hear anything. I don't know what you're talking about. What's happening? Oh god, it happened again. Oh no, it happened again.
You show me yours first. Let's
Oh.
compare scars.
Oh my
I'll tell you whose is
Oh
worse.
my god.
Sunlight
Oh no, they're really bad.
replace them with our own words.
They're really
We live on front porches
No.
and sing life away. We get by just fine here under the mulberries. If love is a labor, I'll slave till the end. I won't cross these streets until you hold
27? 6? And 22! Oh my gosh. Thank you, Faye! Oh my goodness. Snap, half snap. Oh my god. What is it? Oh, so we're at a 333? Oh my god. I can't stop hiccuping. I'm going crazy. Oh shit. Thank you, Faye. Thank you, Faye. Monkey's like, nope, I'm gonna fucking put food in my mouth instead. Thank you, Faye. Monkey, you're making me horny with all your eating. God damn it. Did you know food turns me on? Thank you, Faye. Oh my god, more. Okay, stop eating. Everybody stop eating! What's going on? Damn it! Oh. Stop teasing me! Stop it. Stop it. You stop it right now. Thank you. No, it doesn't make me feel any better because I'm not eating them! Okay. I think it's time for the chat. I'm gonna put my computer in the fridge. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't sit here. Oh my god, I only have like maybe 10 left. It's not cool. I know. I use them to drink my juice though. Thank you, Faye. Why? Are you gonna eat? Oh my god. Fuck you, Faye. Fuck you so hard. I can't stop. Hiccuping. This is like the most unsexy thing ever. Maybe not ever, but at the moment it's the most. Yeah. You know what? I bet there is somebody with a hiccup that is. They may not be in here, but. I can't even drink because I go to drink and then I hiccup. Okay, everyone that's owed my next video, you're gonna get hiccup. That is true. I'm trying to stop so I can take a drink, but. I almost just spit out my water. Thank you. Yes. What in the fuck?
How about that?
Thank you, Silence.
Give it up. Yeah. Galactic.
Okay. Hiccups, you can fucking stop now. I got shit to do.
Y'all wanna hear some more?
That don't involve you, Hiccups. That don't involve you.
Let's do this, y'all. It's y'all people. Galactic, make some noise.
What?
Give it up for New Orleans. Bounce legend.
I am, and it's not working with this. So hiccupy, so drunky. Thank you, Faye.
With Artemis from the start of it, running the game. James West, Fame in the West. So remember the name. Now who you gonna call? Now who you gonna call? If you ever rip with either one of us, break out before you get bum rushed. That's the Wild Wild West. When I roll into the Wild Wild West.
Hey, Bam!
To the Wild Wild West.
I'm gonna do, 3 more spins for you. Oh my god.
Now, once upon a time in the West, that man lost his damn mind in the West. Love less, getting up and down, nothing.
Thank you, Fly.
But it's behind to the test, then through the shadows, in the saddle, ready for
They're
battle.
terrible.
With all your poison, they kind of poison. Behind my back, on everything you did, front and center. Now when you look back, kid, who that is? A mean brother, bow for your help. Looking damn good, though, if I can say it myself. Told me
Alright, Bam Lama.
hiccuping. I'm hiccuping. Oh my god, it won't stop. Jaden, Uh-oh. 4:31. Damn it, girl. 26. Oh my god. 4. I need 31. 26. You have to Brian! Oh my god! I feel terrible about that. No, that doesn't make me feel better. That's terrible. Oh my goodness. Don't hate me tomorrow. Don't hate me tomorrow. Half this snap. Video plus video. Thank you, Mark. I'm still here. I just get stuck. It's terrible. I don't know what's happening. I can't stop. I can't stop. Thank you, flying. Thank you. Okay, these really need. I could get a lot more like accomplished right now if these would stop. These are pretty brutal right now. No, damn! Hold on, damn. You have 2 more spins. You have 2 more spins. No leaving. Let me spin you. Damn, definitely needs Saturdays off. Oh. If I keep my face off, man, you guys don't hear me. Pick up it. Bam! Bam, bam, bam!